First off, it was great. It
Mm.
was a really, really great event. It was great to see people in person like Hill and Alina and Megan. Megan was sitting right next to me. We learned a lot, and the biggest thing that I took away from there was from the very get-go when we did our I am statement, and it's basically your mantra for every single day. And I know that it brought out a lot of emotion as well. And it was really, really worth it. And I'm actually going to rewrite it and take a page out of Alina's book and going to put it in front of me. And I'm actually going to practice it every day till I 100% believe it.
It was awesome, Frank. As a matter of
Yeah.
fact, I took my mantra and I kind of honed in on it because we were doing it, kind of on the fly there. So I made it very, very specific and intentional for what it is that I want to accomplish. I even put it into Chat GPT. I'm one who shies away from technology.
Mm.
So my hat's off to Chris for making it very, very easy and appealing to really dive into technology, and for Carl to show the importance of utilizing technology in our business.
The I am statements were super powerful, but what I love most is the collaboration that the community provided. Nate shared something that he's personally using for his DSP tracking that just blew me away, and I can't wait to copy it, for lack of a better word, because I saw the power in it for him, that I know that I'm going to be able to leverage that and utilize that to my advantage. So the collaboration, I think, is just amazing. Everybody's always so willing to give and share with one another. I've kind of had a little bit of a mental hurdle with technology, and now I see the value of investing in ChatGPT and kind of running with that and how it's really going to help support my business. So that was a big takeaway for me too. I have a Google page. It's not ranking the way I would like. So like Chris said, I'm going to dive into what is showing up and leverage that, but also I'm going to sign up for ChatGPT and start using the avatars and leveraging AI technology in my business.
We took ChatGPT and our created scripts, then we created a video, and then we turned that into a transcript and showed us how to get that on our blogs. And that was a missing piece for me, was that to have my videos turned into transcripts. And that's really important because that's what Google and AI is looking for, is in your transcripts. That's where you become more findable than just a video. So that piece was really important to me. Then we actually did it. And so this Freedom Club was a legit workshop. Every step Carl or Chris would give us a class. And then it was like, all right, break out your laptop or your phone. We're going to start right now. Walked out of there Friday afternoon. Everything that we talked about was implemented. And so Saturday, I got to sit down and rehash everything. Yeah, I've got a blog post that is now the exact copy of my video. There's backlinks from the blog to the video. Wherever my video is posted, YouTube or my own blog page, it can be found. The way I understand it, the script or the transcript is what AI is looking at, is what Google is looking at, and of course, all the keywords that are going to get pulled out of that transcript that are tied back to you when somebody's doing a search.